What if I told you you can be getting reward every day just by answering simple survey questions? Yes, you can be getting paid daily just by answering simple survey questions. In this video, I'm going to show you an survey app which you are going to install on your phone right now and be answering some survey questions, and you'll be making some little money for yourself every day. Yes, you can be making money just by answering simple survey questions. And that is what I'm going to be showing you right now in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the app which you need to install on your phone and be answering questions and get paid. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, the part you skip may be most important part you need to watch and get everything done right. So don't skip any part. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next we drop more videos like this on how you can be making massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you guys step-by-step method and the best app which you need to install right now and be answering questions and be getting reward. Let's get started. Now let's get started. And to get started, all we have to do is to head over to the description of this video. I'll be leaving down the link to this survey app in the description of this video. And when you click on the link, it will take you to where you register. And after you successfully register, it is going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, as you can see, I have 1,632 Naira on my balance. Now, as you can see, it says start survey. I can decide to just click on start survey right now, and I'll be taking survey for just 20 minutes. And after I take this survey for just 20 minutes, I'll be earning 134 Naira for doing this survey. So as you can see, you can do survey in this app and be making some little money for yourself as a pocket money, which you can use to buy your things every day. So to continue, all we just have to do is just to click on start survey, and you start surveying and you start making some money for yourself. But before I do that, let me also show you other things you can also do with this app. Is to play games. When you come to games here, you also see a game. As you can see, you start playing, and if you can play this game, you earn 14,196 Naira. As you can see, game offer here. All you just have to do is just to click on start playing, and when you start playing, you play this game. If you can be able to install the game and play the game, you earn money. Now when you read through, as you can see, say game earning terms. So these are the terms and conditions you need to follow when you are playing the game. When you play games through multiple role, you will be redirected to your game partner. All earnings are take in USD. So you can see, you can read through everything and you can start playing the game and start making money for yourself. Another way you can also earn money in this app is by clicking on referral here. When you click on referral here, this is where you can invite people to participate on this app. And when you invite people, as you can see, invite friends and earn 10% from each friend you refer. So anybody you refer will you earn commission for inviting that person. You earn 10% commission for inviting that person. So this is your promo code which you need to invite people to this app. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on cash out here. When you click on cash out, this is where you are going to withdraw your money after you have successfully make a lot of money from this app. Now as you can see, it says cash out option will unlock once you balance reach the gift card value. As you can see, these are the gift card value which you can be able to use to withdraw your money. As you can see, you have just trade. As you can see, these are the gift card value which you can use to withdraw your money. So if you have over 11,000 Naira on your balance, you can withdraw it to your own account. Now let's go back to the survey. You click on survey here, and also when you click on this up here, you are going to see your profile. As you can see, you are going to see referral code, and when you click on the referral code, this is where you're supposed to put my referral code. So make sure you click on the referral code, and when you click on the referral code, make sure you put this referral code that is showing right now on your screen. And when you use this my referral code that is showing right now on your screen, you are going to earn some commission for using my referral code. So make sure you use the referral code that is showing right now on your screen. And after you put the referral you click on submit, and when you click on submit, you are going to receive the bonus. Now let's go back to the survey. Now when you come back to the survey, you can just click on refresh. So when you refresh, sometimes it will tell you should refresh again, that the survey is not available. So you just keep refreshing, or you come back some minutes, just give it some minute or some hour, you refresh, and you are going to see the surveys you are going to be doing and be making some money for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button. See you on my next video.